This app pays you every 5 days. No VPN, no country limits, no pay required. I'll reveal the secret to doubling your 5-day payout, which I also used. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, the best strategy to maximize your earnings, and how to cash out fast, even if you're starting today. So ensure you stick to the end of the video. Whether you're a student, employed, or unemployed, as long as you have your smartphone and internet connection, you're good to go. So let's get started. To get the app installed, go to the description below, click on the link, or go to Play Store or App Store, install the app, and use my referral code eNetDigitals to join the list of those to share from the weekly bonuses specifically for active users. I will also pin the installation link in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button to help YouTube algorithm recommend my video to more people. To get rewarded with this app, simply record your drive or biking. The app processes your video and uploads only the most important parts using Wi-Fi or mobile data, ensuring an efficient transfer. Your data helps city planners identify and fix issues like potholes or traffic bottlenecks. Every contribution earns you points for rewards. You can also climb the leaderboard to compete with other drivers in your city and earn special bonuses. Alright, so let's go through it and see how it works. Here, if you look at this point here, you will see beats, and you can see my earnings so far. I'm going to click on it now. Let's see. It says beats at the data point you capture, from potholes, manholes, and road obstacles to traffic violations like overspeeding or rash driving. So this is what it actually does. As you move on with this app, it's going to be counting the number of times you fall into potholes, and that's what it actually uses to give you point. Apart from that, there are some other ways of earning point, which I will also be revealing. So let's check this pulse. The pulse says you can earn pulse in 2 simple ways. Data collection, that is every bit you record, you converts directly into pulse point. This point is what gives you the dollars. And the other way to earn is by referral. So when you refer people, where you refer someone, you actually get 10 points from each sign up from that referee or someone you just referred. So we're going down to check on other things. Here's the leaderboard. If you look at the leaderboard, you will see the reward. Everyone $650 in totally 939,000 Naira. So if you are in Nigeria, it's going to convert it for you into Naira. If you're in Ghana, Togo, United Kingdom, or any part of the world, it's going to convert it for you in your own local currency. And if you go down here, you will see other active users. So this $650 will be shared among the active users within the range of this 5 days. So if we go to my profile, you can see the profile here, and I'm going to connect my email by clicking on this email, and then I will enter my email address. So I will enter my email address here and send OTP to verify my email. Don't worry, this is just a way of securing your account, so you don't have to lose anything in case you are misplaced your phone or the app. So I'm going to go ahead to get my code, which they have just sent to my email address, and paste it on the particular point here. And I will click verify. So I'll go to my profile here to check if my email has been connected. Great, it has been connected. So get started and let me know how easy you find it in the comment section. I am Emmanuel EO, eNet.